All right, let's see how many times before it will act up. Ooh, shoot, just one attempt or two. It doesn't want to open right now. Let's try to open it this way. There we go. Oh, another one.
It's gotten worse.
Yeah, got it worse. All right. This guy's dying. Need to buy some battery. This thing popped easily. Okay. Undo this one, and it has only one connector. There we go. Just gonna put this one here. Here we go. All right. Now we can see this guy. I think we have to undo this guide right here. I should unplug this first. There you go. And there is 1, 2, and 3 10mm. Okay guys, so I made a mistake. I tried to pull everything out together, but it's impossible when this outside door handle is sticking out. So I have to put everything back together and make sure this outside door handle is flush in, so we can able to remove this all together. bummer. Alright, so this is the only way I can find to keep that door handle flush, because I'm gonna lock it right now. It's locked, but when I open it, it's just gonna open it out. So I'm gonna go back here, lock it, unplug this guy and this guy, unlock it, open up, there we go, it remains shut. Okay, so now I think we can undo this guy. It's hooked. Ooh, look how easy. Oops. No. Can we go this way? There you go. There you have it. Not yet. Don't break it. There you go. Now it's out. I believe the cable is a little stretched as well, and there's something sticking inside. So key SN1, and I'm going to install it. Alright, so here is the new one. It seems like we have to transfer this guy. That one. And also this one right here. Hold on. Oh yeah. Oh no. Nope. All we have to do is undo this guy. Or maybe there's also a cable involved or connector. There we go. There we go. Transfer this. Okay, so this guy is gonna go this way. Okay. Then the new cable or door latch is gonna hook. Whoa! Do we have to transfer that one too? No, it's right here. It's gonna hook right there. Sweet. And this guy is gonna travel all the way maybe. There we go. No, not there. Not there. Here. Well, it's gonna go plug in here. And we're just gonna go pop it. And there. Then goes up here. Yeah, it's gonna hook over here too. Jeffrey. Okay.
So you need to look at.
Okay.
Boarded.
Okay. I believe this one is, oops, not ready yet. There we go. Self-tap. Cool. Okay, it's going in. I did not remove this cover just to protect the door handle. Maybe I should remove it because it's way too fat. No, we're good. We are good. Right there. Can we able to remove it? Yeah, we can. There we go. Cool. Sweet. Okay. Sweet. So this guy's gonna go this way. Line it up. Where is it? It's right there. Okay, now we can put this back. All right, so before we put the panel, we just want to make sure it will open it. Okay. All right, I think it's fixed. Okay, so make sure you don't have any missing clip. All right, I think we are good. Plug this in. Okay. There we go. Line it up. All right, it's not quite there yet. There we go. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, so line this up. Oops. There we go. No, we're wrong. Redo it. This one is supposed to be tucked in. Yeah. There we go. Sweet. That's easy fix. All right. Thank you guys for watching.